News coming in after Kejriwal's PA Bibhav Kumar's services were terminated by the Vigilance Department in the Delhi government. Now we are told, according to the sources in the Aam Aadmi Party's legal team, that they will likely challenge the suspension from the post of Officer on Special Duty, OSD, from the Vigilance Department. It was a criminal case earlier filed against Bibhav Kumar that has led to the DOPT being contacted on this, and they had said that there was no prior verification or antecedents legal cases that were checked, and based on that, because there was a criminal case, his services have been terminated. Bibhav Kumar had been a close aide of Arvind Kejriwal since the days of activism and then joined in as the OSD at the Delhi government as well. Aam Aadmi Party's legal team will likely challenge it, and we are told that they will raise the matter before the Central Administrative Tribunal as well. So currently, remember, the grounds on which the said order can be challenged, that precisely is being brainstormed. Now, the criminal case filed against him was about in 2007, I'm told, and it was criminal intimidation and intentional insult. These were some of the charges of IPC 504, 506 that were filed against him. India Today's legal correspondent Srishti Ojha is joining me for the latest on that. Srishti, this could be interesting that Bibhav Kumar, who will want to challenge the termination of the services. How does one do it? What is the procedure possibly to go ahead with it?
Well, yes, as we know, he has been terminated in relation to an old case against him, and he was earlier also questioned in the Delhi excise policy case. Now, what we've learned from sources in the Aam Aadmi legal team is that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's PS Bibhav Kumar will challenge a suspicion from the post of Officer on Special Duty by the Vigilance Department before the Central Administrative Tribunal. They will not be moving High Court. They'll instead moving CAT because it's a service matter. Service matters go to the Central Administrative Tribunal, and they will challenge the order before CAT. Considering today is a holiday, they're likely to complete the formalities and file the petition by tomorrow. So as of now, they're brainstorming on what grounds should they take to challenge this particular termination. One aspect, though, that they're going to pick up on is the fact that his termination is unconstitutional, goes against the basic provisions of the constitutions. And secondly, another aspect that they're likely to raise is the timing of this order, considering the order has been passed before the upcoming elections and also right after Mr. Arvind Kejriwal's arrest in this particular case. Remember, this has also been AAP's constant contention, even with regard to Arvind Kejriwal's arrest in custody, that they've mentioned the timing of the arrest time and again for the court, that the arrest has been made to, in a way, crush the Aam Aadmi Party, to destabilize the Aam Aadmi Party right before the election. So that's one ground that they're likely to take before the CAT as well. It will be important to see how they proceed further, what grounds they take to challenge, and whether or not the Central Administrative Tribunal decides to take any action on Bibhav Kumar's
and if that previous case of 2007, if that's the case that that is being quoted here, that could go against the Aam Aadmi Party and Bibhav and not really have his services back with the Delhi government. So we'll be tracking all the latest on that. But for now, the situation is not looking good for the Aam Aadmi Party. The Delhi liquor gate controversy is only exploding. The trouble is only mounting for the AAP. Supreme Court is likely to take up the petition by Kejriwal's plea, challenging his arrest and remand on 15th of April. India Today has accessed Kejriwal's plea to the top court. He stated how the High Court apparently failed to notice how statements cannot be used as substantial evidence of truth. He's also mentioned that not being able to participate in the elections will set a wrong example, and because Arvind Kejriwal will most likely miss the initial phase of the elections. But it's a big setback even then, because after Bibhav Kumar, who was already being questioned, and there were several questioning rounds that had been done on the liquor excise policy case of Bibhav, who was Arvind Kejriwal's PA. His services now have been terminated over a criminal case that was filed against him. Aam Aadmi Party, however, has slammed Delhi Lieutenant Governor for sacking Bibhav, calling it vendetta against Kejriwal government, that basically the BJP just wants to ensure that the Aam Aadmi Party goes down. But the setback is not enough. Remember, at this time, there are corruption cases building against AAP leaders.
आज जब मुख्यमंत्री खुद जेल के अंदर हैं, तब पर्दे के पीछे से मुख्यमंत्री के इशारों पर जेल के अंदर से सरकार चलाने की, अपराधों के साक्ष्य मिटाने की कोशिश भी बिभव कुमार के द्वारा की जा सकती थी। और ईडी बिभव कुमार से भी पूछताछ कर रही है। तो विजिलेंस डिपार्टमेंट का ये कदम एक सकारात्मक कदम है और निष्पक्ष जांच हो इसको सुनिश्चित करने में मदद करेगा।
राजनीति में मंत्री बना, जो भी बना आज बाबा साहेब डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर की वजह से बना और पे बैक टू सोसाइटी करने के लिए बना। दलितों की जब रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात आती है तो जो पार्टी अगर उससे पीछे हटती है तो मुझे फिर वहां रहने का कोई औचित्य समझ नहीं आता, इसलिए मैंने किया।
क्या किसी पार्टी में आप जाएंगे?
नहीं, मैं कहीं नहीं।
हम उनको धोखेबाज कहेंगे, हम उनको बेईमान कहेंगे, हम उनको ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहेंगे। मैं मानता हूं एक परिवार चलाने वाला आदमी, बच्चे हैं, परिवार है, इज्जत है, रिश्तेदार हैं, ऐसे में ईडी पकड़ के ले जाएगी, तिहाड़ में सालों सड़ाया जाएगा, ये सुन के वो डर गए। हर आदमी संजय सिंह नहीं है। कई बार पार्टी कुलीग से ये बात कह रहे थे कि जैसे ही थोड़ा एक्टिव होता हूं फोन आ जाता है।